my channel. I hope that you all are doing great. Knowledge is the best and the safest treasure to acquire. That's true. So let's get started by knowing about our neighboring countries. So first up we have Bangladesh. Hello Sabai. Bangladesh came into existence in 1971. It is located in southern Asia bordering India and Burma. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Its Padma, Meghna and Yamuna rivers create fertile plains. On the southern coast, the Sunderbans, an enormous mangrove forest shared with eastern India, is home to Royal Bengal tigers. Bengali is the official language of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is governed as a public parliamentary system and a unitary state. Sheikh Hasina Wajed is serving as the 10th PM of Bangladesh. She held the office since 2009. She is the longest serving Prime Minister in the history of Bangladesh. She is the daughter of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, first president. Although half of the GDP is generated through service sector. 45% of Bangladesh are employed in agriculture sector. Constitution of Bangladesh declares Islam as the state religion as it is the fourth largest Muslim populated country. Thank you so much for hearing me out. I hope I have helped you. Please ignore the mistakes and please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. Take care. See you soon. Be realistic and explore your creativity. Bye.